enough with the water bottle flip. We got some nice trophies here. So,
wait, I'll be right back. Alright!
We had an outstanding season. We are extremely proud of you for the way you guys finished the season. Coaches, let's move over here to go Sunday. Alright, so, Stephen Fowles right in front of me. I'm going to start with you. Stephen started out the season as our center. Turned it around and became a defensive mastermind, cutting through the lines, making some tackles in the backfield. Stephen, awesome job this year, pal. There you go, buddy. Great job, kid. Pickup. Been around since kindergarten. Moving positions everywhere, dude. Tight end, line, D-line, doesn't matter where we put you, always giving us 100%. Thank you for always giving us 100%. Keep you coming back next year. Cahill, since you're sitting on the table. You finally started using your size the right way this year, pal. Started pushing through the line, making people fall down. We appreciate you coming out, even after you had staples in your head.
We know you're big.
And coming out and beating everyone up good. Here you go, buddy. Great job. Mikey Stu, first year player. Awesome job. Came out as our tight end. I think you had the most receptions that we've had so far in our little group that we've had. All right, came out catching, after catching, gaining yards. Awesome job, Stuart. Here you go, pal.
Let's go, Stewie!
You want weave next? The weave master, the quarterback of our defense, calling the plays, making everything happen on the offensive line. Killing it year after year. Weaver.
Hey! Mommy, I don't want to know!
You want Carlson?
Yes.
We'll give you Carlson. Carlson, another first-year guy playing tight end, holding up the bookends of our offense. Today had his first reception. Wrap it up. Got us the first down. Awesome, awesome job for a first-year guy. Here you go, I don't like it. Savvy. Savvy. I've got Savvy's trophy for the biggest hitter on the team.
Yeah.
Might be a little dude, but when he comes up and hits someone, he hits them with authority, and he's scared of nobody, and he played about 5 different positions this year. Awesome job, Savvy. You want Andrew?
Yeah.
Andrew, first-year guy, came into our offense, had a couple questions after that. He ran the ball extremely well. Today he gained about 16 yards on 1 carry. Stepped in on our defense today, made 2 game-saving tackles. Awesome job, Andrew. All right, next guy is Reed.
Imaginary world for a moment.
Yeah, you Reed. Wait. If anyone follows baseball, Reed is our utility man. He literally played every position in the backfield, almost every position on the offensive line. Defensively, he played linebacker, defensive end, D-line, never complained. Whenever we said, Reed, go in that position, he never said, what do I got to do, coach? What do I got to do? He just went out there and did it. Awesome job again, Reed. And he's our king ball stripper. I don't know. Hudson.
Is he riding a donkey?
Hudson. Who, the guy? No, it's a guy exploding through a football. Hudson came through big in the last 5 games, came in as our center. Quarterback-center exchange was awesome. We really, really appreciate you switching your position, and we can't wait to have you back next year, Hudson. Awesome job again.
It smells like bacon?
Mikey B. Our defensive specialist coming in at defensive end, tearing some things up, causing fumbles today. Mikey B with his first fumble of the season and then recovered it. Awesome job, Mikey. Oh yes, and he took the handoff on defense.
Nothing high. They thought that was one of their players.
And when I say shifty hips, who are we talking about? Dylan Cerrone. Shifty hips Cerrone. Getting around the end, tiptoeing the sidelines, making great plays offensively and defensively, rushing through the line, Dylan Cerrone. J-Bone. Julian, another guy, no matter where we put him, defensively or offensively, never asks a question, just goes out there, always trying, always making the best of the opportunities when he's in there. Julian, awesome job this year. Can't wait to have you back. All right, and then we got Dylan.
Come on.
We don't like Dylan. He's the smelliest kid on the team. But offensively, whenever you need a block on the outside, Dylan comes up and crushes someone and the whole crowd goes, ooh. Defensively, coming up, making tackles, strips, Dylan Monahan.
Is that everybody?
Mayo.
We got everybody?
Oh, DeMayo! DeMayo, if there was a class clown in football, you would get the award. You made all the coaches laugh. You went in there. You did your job on offense. Defensively, you went in there and made some plays. And again, made us laugh. Logan DeMayo, you were a pleasure to be around. Hope to have you back next year, buddy.
That's everybody, right?
That's it. Nobody else, right?
That's everybody?
No, we're missing.
And the last guy.
Oh, it's Riley.
Right? No.
Hey, you.
I never
Uncle
did
Liza, the littlest fullback in the league. Killing linebacking, making tackles, running the ball all over the field. KU.
There you go, Pep.
All right, T-Birds. Yo. Stop fooling around, guys.
Don't fight.
All right. We will send out an email. We're thinking about getting something together to get them together one last time without their equipment on. We're going to come up with some ideas. We've made some phone calls. We put some phone calls out. We're seeing what they can come through with for us, and then we'll let you guys know. As soon as we know, we will let you know. We'll keep in the range of Tuesday, Thursday from 6 to 7:30 because you guys are used to that.